Compost is a nutrient-rich soil that is created when organic materials like leaves, grass clippings, and food scraps are allowed to decompose or break down into smaller parts naturally. All composting requires three things: browns, which are dead leaves, branches, and twigs; greens, which are grass clippings, vegetable waste, fruit scraps, and coffee grounds; and water, which adds moisture to help break down organic matter. This is an example of a compost. Check it out. You should not compost black walnut tree leaves or twigs, coal or charcoal ash, dairy products, diseased or insect-ridden plants, fats, grease, lard or oils, meat or fish bones and scraps, pet wastes, and yard trimmings treated with chemical pesticides. Now Collin, the naturalist from Martha Lafite Thompson Nature Sanctuary, is going to talk about a special type of composting.
Here we have vermicomposting at work. So the root of that is vermin, which means we have all sorts of little critters running around here, and the critter of choice we have is mealworms. And the mealworms will eat basically whatever we put in there, and you'll see there's some bread going on over there. We've got some Tostios in there that they are munching on. We'll put all kinds of food waste in there. We obviously avoid animal fats and things like that that are going to get really stinky and nasty. And we have paper on top to sort of keep that scent down and to keep the flies down as well. Because sometimes you'll put in banana peels, apples, things like that that'll attract stuff like that.